This one, Media. Thought I found, oh, she's mine. No, check na.
So I'm done getting ready and it's currently 9:37 AM. Yung event ko is at 11 AM pa naman. And sa Rockwell yun. Chika ko lang sa inyo na today is going to be a very busy day for me. So later meron ako event with Vaseline. Hindi ko pa naikwento sa inyo to pero I did the shoot with Vaseline last month. Digital film siya and yun ata yung papakita sa event ngayon. And yeah, meron din ata kami interview. And then meron akong attend na online class at 12:45. And then at 5 PM, meron akong online meeting with another brand naman. I'm just gonna change guys kasi syempre hindi naman yung outfit ko sa event. I'll see you guys later. Good luck to me.
And then can you
3, 2, 1 and
hi Nicole.
Moisturizing is very important.
So you mentioned the
It really gives me that healthy and radiant glow that I desired, and especially okay, so today is a Saturday and I'll be going to Lasal kasi meron akong attend na seminar or parang event and may incentives kasi yun. Kumuha rin ako ng ibang stuff na ililipat ko sa new room ko. And na-miss ko mag-vlog here guys. Like, sobrang kalat niya ngayon kaya hindi ko mapakita yung side na to. But yeah, na-miss ko mag-vlog dito sa old room kasi diba dito talaga ako nag-intro nun and nag-aayos. But ayun, let's go to Lasal first and yeah. I'll see you guys there na lang. It's currently 12:44 PM and yung event namin is 1 PM. Pero kailangan ata 10 minutes before dumating doon kasi parang may pre-registration pa. And parang hindi ata makakount yung attendance kapag late ka dumating. So, alis na ako guys. Sumintay ko lang si Dewy and si Ryan.
yung Canva dun eh.
Free.
There were a lot of
So it's currently 11:01 AM and nag-aayos ako ng room ko right now. I'm also opening some packages that I got and I'm so excited to open this one kasi para sa makeup ko to. This one is a PR from Sunnies. Actually, I think this is my first PR na na-receive dito sa new house. Parang in-update ko na yung address ko sa mga agencies. So this is their newest anti-rad eyewear. Kaka-physical exam ko lang sa Lasal and nalaman ko na hindi na 2020 tong left eye ko. Na-recommend nila na magsuot ako ng mga anti-radiation glasses. So this is the first one. It's called Fitz. Oh my gosh guys, personalized pala to. Nakalagay Nicole sa both faces. This is called Spencer naman. Yay! Thank you so much, Sunny's face. Oh my gosh, maling color, guys. I'm pretty sure black yung in-order ko, guys. Oh no! This is a makeup bag, yung merong ilaw. Like, ang dami mo lalagay sa loob, yung mga divider pa and all. Sayang, hindi ko siya mabubuksan, guys. Bala ko pa naman na i-transfer itong mga makeup ko, guys. Like, naka-ready na sila para mapakita ko sa inyo. Pero, maling color. So, ngayon mag-aayos lang ulit ako ng kwarto ko, guys. Kasi super gulo and kailangan na rin namin ma-finalize to kasi malapit na yung blessing na house. I'll see you later. Back intact. Oh my god! You're not the only one who didn't see that. Yeah, we're here.
See you on Monday.
Oh. Ah, this is for mommy. You see the verse? I love it.
Just a dream, just all in my head.
So today is another day. It's currently 9:25 AM and I'm going to BGC today kasi meron tayong mga errands na kailangan gawin. Also, ang dami kong schoolworks na hahabulin. Like, I have this one presentation and kailangan ko na rin yun matapos. Like, gagawa ko ng script, yung video ad namin, and basta, ang dami pa. So, ayun, isasabay ko siya today because today is the only free day that I have. I finished doing my makeup na, but I'm not sure if magkukulot pa ako ng hair. Because like, umaabot ako ng 30 minutes para magkulot ang hair. Kasi kumakapal yung buhok ko, guys. I'm gonna vlog the whole day today, so samahan nyo lang ako. For today's lotion, I'm applying the Vaseline Gluta Overnight Radiance Repair Lotion. You guys know how much I love the Dewy Radiance one, yung pink. Actually, parang, ano ba nalagay? This one, yung Dewy Radiance, like this is like my favorite. Tingnan nyo naman yung bottle, guys. Parang tortured na siya. I still love this one. Pero kasi a few days ago, if nakita nyo sa mga Instagram stories ko, may inattendan akong event ng Vaseline. It's the Vaseline Skin Science Studio. They recommended na gamitin ko raw itong Overnight Radiance Repair. Because apparently, nung in-assess yung skin ko before applying this lotion, it was below the recommended moisture percentage. Pero nung in-apply ito ni ate doon, like, nag-apply ako sa skin ko doon, tapos tinest ulit nila, naging 100% siya. Of course, every skin naman is unique. Pero ito yung na-recommend sa akin na gamitin ko everyday. This one is infused with 10 times aminopeptide complex. Yun yung nagpa-prevent ng moisture loss. And of course, meron siyang hyaluron, Gluta Glow. And Gluta Glow is actually way better than vitamin C. Yeah, it has all the skincare ingredients that my skin needs. I've been getting plumper and brighter skin thanks to this. And when I say wala talaga siyang sticky feeling, guys, wala talaga. Anyway, ayun, magpo-perfume na lang ako, guys. And we're good to go. Let's go to PGC. Okay, so I just got home. It's currently 9:12 PM. Magka-unbox tayo ng mga package. Like, nag-order kasi ako ng mga organizers. And buti nga dumating na itong mga to, guys. Kasi nga, kailangan na namin mag-ayos dito before the blessing, which is on Saturdays. The whole day kasi super busy namin. Nag-shoot lang kami. And it's finals week na rin namin. So, nagkasabay-sabay actually yung with the blessing, with work, and then yun nga, finals. I think last 2 weeks na namin sa Lasal, and I think deserve ko ng travel after this. By the way guys, hindi ko alam kung napanood niyo na, pero di ba nga nag-shoot kami for Vaseline, isang digital film siya. And ayun, na-release na siya, and I'm so happy with the results. And I think ipi-play ko na lang here, like right now, yung mga ilang shots there sa digital film, and I'm so honored to be part of that. Kasi, I don't know, it's like, hindi naman kasi ako model guys, you know. Nag-film ako sa isang studio and all, kasi before talaga yung bata ko yun. Very active ako when it comes to auditioning for commercials and stuff. Finally, masasabi ko na rin sa inyo yun guys. Yun yung actually film namin last month. So, yeah. Start with this one. Mabilis ang unbox na lang ito, guys. I have my mini cutter here from Lazada. Okay, let's do this. Wait, ang laki pala nito, guys. Wala ko energy magbukas. Wait. In fairness, guys, super secured lahat. Okay, so I got these organizers for our fridge. This is like my favorite brand na bilhan sa Shopee kasi ang ganda ng quality ng pagka like acrylic niya. Hindi siya yung parang bluish. Ayun, diba? So I got a lot of these para sa fridge namin. Oh, these are like yung sa gilid ng fridge kasi parang may space doon. Ayan, so ito siya. So sa gilid siya ng fridge. Super dami na binili ko. And then, since yun nga, super love ko yung organizers. Like, you can even use this sa mga makeup drawers nyo. Because I have one sa old house. Ang ganda guys ng quality. This is not sponsored talaga, I swear. Pero, like, and itong shape din. Super dami nilang options for you guys. Talay, di ba sa sa akin mababasa. Oh my god! So nice! Pero of course, since ito yung picture, ito yung makasama niyang mug. So, okay, so this is the mug that comes with it. Tada! So, imagine nyo na lang na 6 to. Kasi ayoko nabuksan to lahat. Wow! Oh, these are for like, I don't know, leftovers or for fruits. So, ito, mahirap to i-set up. Pili ko sa mismo tour na lang, like fridge tour na gagawin. Pero basically, if you're gonna get a drink, like automatic siya uusog. If that makes sense. Pagkakuha mo, automatic siya mag-the-next drink. Next drink. So, you get the gist. And anyway, that's it. I'm gonna unbox some of these in next video kasi iba dito for my room. So, yeah, that's it.
Simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one. Too many problems, I'm already lost, yeah. I miss you too many nights. I miss your colorful lights. I miss your blueberry eyes. Fine. I play the memories over.
3, 2, 1, action! Next!
Keep it in sober. Simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one.
Thank you, Nicole, Morgan, and Colleen. Thank you so much.
어젯밤과 함께 떠나갔던 안개는 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아. 우리 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아 보이는 거 알잖아.